In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a bank account in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once inside your dashboard, look at the top menu and hover over at the Accounting tab. Then click on the Bank Accounts. This is where all your connected and manual accounts will appear. Now, all I have to do is super simple. I want you to click the Add Bank Account. You will now see a search bar where you can find your bank if you can't find the banks here. So basically, these are the most popular banks in the country that you created your account. So there is a drop-down menu here. For example, you are living in Turkmenistan, Uganda, Ukraine, United Kingdom. So there will be a different result. So if you can't find your bank here, just use the search. For example, let's say Chase, okay? And then you have the Chase Bank and Chase Smart Data. But in my case, what I'm gonna do is I am using my PayPal, okay? I'm gonna click on it, and then what will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do is super simple, okay? You can simply continue without bank feed or continue and log into bank. It's up to you. I am going to choose the first option. Click that, and what will happen is you need to enter your account details. And after that, click the add button. You will be forwarded here. All I have to do at this point is click the finishing adding accounts. As you may notice, your PayPal or bank account has been successfully added to your Xero. Remember, always connect your bank feed if available because it will save you hours of manual work and keeps your records accurate in Xero. In my case, I am using PayPal. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you add a bank account in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.